What's going on, guys? So I've been kind of radio silent. I know. I've been busy. We're back to nicer weather. It's actually beautiful out right now. It's nice and cool, the type of weather I love. But we're basically, this video is a shop update to get back on regular schedule things. But I'm gonna let you know what we got going on. So 58, we got parts coming in for the electric power steering that we're gonna run. Just got an upgraded brake booster and brake parts and all that stuff coming in for the 58. And then I'm gonna try and look for a steering column that I actually want to use, that's, you know, not breaking the bank type of, but still a good steering column. We got a C-notch the back. I'm not going to do a big one just because it's how it's riding right now. It's where I want it, so I don't want a huge C-notch, and I don't really want to cut into the bed. Kind of keep it more useful of a bed. So it's not like, on the 62 I had to raise the bed and do all that. But the 62 is actually under the cover. I gotta get new door seals. The rain has kind of been hitting heavy by us, so keep it covered, you know. But I am switching the seats. I'm gonna do more of a different type of seat. It's a bucket seat, but the seat belt and everything's all in one seat. And then I'm gonna build a center console where the has speakers, sub, cup holders, and all that stuff. And which comes back to 54. Just pretty much cutting and welding. Garage is a mess because when you get amount of time, you do what you can. Rebuilt that. I'm probably gonna cut that out and redo it, but you know, it is what it is. Got some more that I gotta put some primer on. And the nice thing about these, let me get my light. We'll just edit this part out. So, a handy dandy light that I put my Harbor Freight little shop light in. Kind of handy. So these cars are known for rust all right there, because they dip it down and they just collect everything. So what cut out right here, it's just pretty much a little piece, and then I'm gonna place. I'm probably gonna trim some more and go about that. But should be pretty easy. So I'm gonna change the design. I know some people are gonna be like, don't do it, but I'm going to. Because of that problem. I'm just gonna build a flat straight. It's gonna be a little stronger, and then give this more strength. I'm gonna be getting rid of the tire holder because I don't plan on putting a spare tire there. But who knows? Time will change. You never know. But that also comes to with, I was selling the original engine, transmission, and everything. I had to actually get this going quicker, but you know me, I can't do that. So when I was under there pulling the transmission, I found that the frame was rotted, and I instantly just was like, all right, maybe I can fix it. But the more and more I pried at it, looked at it, and I was like, this is just too far gone. So we got a new frame. We're going to put it under something else. It's actually going to lower it a lot compared to the original frame. So I'm excited about that. I won't say what frame we're putting it on yet, but it's going to be, I guess, another frame swap. So we can, it's just more available parts for that frame I'm putting it on. Um, should be good. So that last look, there's a 58. Um, it's coming along. It's just mostly always waiting on parts. It's always something. We'll start some body work to this. I mean, it's not going to go too crazy. I should have pulled the cover off, but if you've been following me for a while, you kind of know everything I've done to that truck. But this truck is probably 95 or 90% done, because let's be real, they're never done. um, but that's a quick shop update. I'm going to keep you guys posted. I'm probably going to be showing more videos of me doing on the 54, just because we got more stuff here and ready to go for it. So I'm going to be mostly a lot of welding and fabbing and all those fun things. And then as soon as parts come in for the 58, we'll do videos on that. And then the 62 is just kind of, I'm enjoying it. It's a joy to actually have my truck going. I'm excited, ready for all the things to come. And I appreciate you guys staying along and allowing me to have this radio silence for a little bit. But we are going to be pushing out more videos, more shorts, try to get the channel growing to something bigger. I appreciate you guys for liking and subscribing and tagging along and staying with me. But that's a quick video, something I wanted to get out just so you guys know that we're getting going again. And let's enjoy the ride.